I think it goes without saying that the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have everything out of your tent. Double check your bags on the walls and make sure that anything like the windows or the flap over this skylight up here, make sure those are all down and not rolled up like this up here. Now, right now, we still have this tent staked in. Before you deflate your tent, you want to leave those stakes in, because that way when you do deflate your tent, having those stakes in will help maintain the shape of the tent. On this tent, there are 2 air valves. There's one on this corner and one on this corner. On the smaller tents, there's only one, but we're going to go ahead and unscrew this one first, and then we're going to go back and open that one as well. At the valve itself, we're going to unscrew this part right here. Now, with this tent still staked in to maintain that perfect rectangle, we're going to go ahead and just start to fold this in on itself. And this is where having it staked down still really comes into play. Those stakes will hold that rectangle shape, and as you pull and tug on the tent to start folding it, prevent the rest of the tent from just pulling in also. So you can see where I first folded in the 2 peaks from the back and the front, and then I moved on to the sides, and you just kind of fold them in, pull on them a little bit, and straighten it out. You want to have as perfect a rectangle as you possibly can. Yes, just make sure that all your ropes are tossed up onto the tent so that you're actually folding the ropes up in the tent. Now, as far as the air that's still in the tubes, that needs to be pushed out. We're going to be walking on this tent to do that, but don't walk on the actual tent itself. You want to keep your tent clean. If you go walking on it right now, you're going to have all kinds of footprints and dirt and mud and everything else. I'll show you how we're going to do it to prevent that. But now that we have it all deflated and folded in and we have our perfect rectangle, we're going to go ahead and go around and pull out our stakes. Make sure you check all your D-rings to make sure that you are getting all your stakes up. So we're going to begin by folding this tent from back to front. Now, obviously, your perfect folding job that you just did to keep it in a nice little rectangle is going to get messed up a little bit, but that's okay. Just match up those corners the best you can and we're good to go. Now we're going to fold this over 2 more times in this same direction before we start to roll the tent. Each time we fold it over, you want to walk it down, push out more of that air towards those valves, and when you're done with these 2 folds, you're going to have what looks like a big burrito laying there. You'll never fold a tent again without thinking about Taco Bell. So the next thing you want to do is grab your storage bag. Now, let's see, somewhere in here, we have a strap right here to tie this closed. And remember, we're always working towards the valves. The valves are down here. So you want to take this thing, lay it right there in a convenient spot. Same with your storage bag, right at the end, so it's ready when you are. This is what I'm talking about right here. Start from the far end, roll it as tight as you can. With each roll, push out as much air as you can. As it gets bigger and bigger, you might have to lay on it, sit on it, whatever you have to do to push that air out. Just keep rolling all the way to the end. Once you get there, hold it down while you grab the strap, work it under the tent, pull it around and snap it. Pull it as tight as you possibly can. Now you can let loose, grab your bag, and you want to open the bag and put it down over the tent. You don't want to try to roll the tent in or pick it up and set it in. That's too much work. Open the bag and put it right down over the top. Once it's in the bag, then you can roll it over so that you can pull in the flap over top of it, tighten that drawstring, close your snaps, and pull those as tight as possible, and there you go.